So hey guys, in this video we talk about top 5 underrated websites which helps to remove background free and instantly. Let's go to the topic. And don't forget to subscribe. What a free background remover basically does is to remove or cut out any unwanted object or the whole background of an image. Photographers, online sellers, and e-commerce portals are the main industries where a free online background remover is essential. There are many photo editing services providers that offer to remove background from image free of charge. Among these providers, only a few. Removal.ai is an innovative artificial intelligence technology used to remove background from images. The team behind Removal.ai is an established photo post-processing company, encompasses by experienced photo editors and retouchers. Another tool that closely resembles the technology behind Removal.ai is remove.bg. It is effective in creating transparent backgrounds for images so that they will be easier to edit for other uses. Free version allows you to download 612x408 resolutions only. It also offers a free trial for their service. Although it also uses AI technology, their subscription fees are higher compared to Removal.ai. For instance, the 40 images package would cost $9 while the 75,000 images package is at $5,450. Remove image background instantly with Photo Scissors automatic background removal tool. Then replace the background with a transparent, solid color or another background image. This free online background remover is intended for e-commerce, product photos, and media images. Low-resolution photos are free to download. However, you need to purchase using credits if you want to obtain the high-quality image resolution. You can choose pay-as-you-go options starting at 10 credits for $4.99, at 50 cents/image, up to 1,000 credits for $29.99, at 3 cents/image. You can use other editing tools also. Auto-clipping does automatic background removal in order to allow recreation of photos for other uses. It provides a space, called an artboard, where the finished images can be dragged into and place decorations and text layers. Using the online editor is free, but users will have to pay for downloading the edited images. Remove the unwanted background of an image could be tricky, especially for image editing beginners. Retouchers is a free online AI-based background removing tool. This tool adopts deep machine learning technology to remove the background